Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 utility 48'X102 aluminum combo spring ride sliding tandem with a universal mounting kit on the back. Folks, this unit is in excellent condition. Aluminum deck, wood nailing strip in phenomenal shape, underside beam, joist condition, excellent. Beautiful, no scale at all. Been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. Kingpin plate, excellent condition. Brand new buyer's toolbox on the passenger side. As you can see, that beam condition is absolutely phenomenal. Spring ride, steel refurbed outer rim, brand new rubber, drums and brakes. Folks, adjustable universal mounting kit, Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. Just let us know what you have. We're more than happy to make any adjustments for you. Also, take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at all of our available units. We have trucks, trailers, Moffetts, Princetons, Loadmacs, and other brands available. Brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, as I said, brand new tires, refurbed steel rims on the outer. This is a 73,000 GVW 48'X102 2015 utility. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.